Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.